Good morning. Today we would like to discuss product design. Meaning, steps in product design, factors influencing product design. See, first the meaning of product design. Product design means that deals with its forms and functions. That includes the development of the product through all the preliminary stages until actual manufacturing begins. Simply designing a product with its specifications, there are four aspects in a product design. They are functional aspects, aesthetic aspects, production aspects, packaging aspects. Four things that we have to consider. What are the steps to be involved while we are designing a product? First one, as we are discussing in our development stage. First one, idea generation. Second one, screening the idea. There are a number of ideas may be there. So, in order to select the best suitable one, we have to screen. Then third one, feasibility study, preliminary design, pilot run testing, new product launch. First one, idea generation. That means the design process begins with understanding the customers and their needs and wants. Idea for a new product can come from a variety of sources, both within and outside of the firm. And second one, that is screening idea. The purpose of screening idea is to eliminate those ideas that do not appear to have high potential and so avoid the cost incurred at subsequent stages. A number of ideas we may have. Then third stage, that is feasibility study. Feasibility study consists of market analysis, economic analysis, technical and fundamental analysis, strategic analysis, etc. etc. The basis of this analysis is to understand whether to move forward or to put forward or not. And the fourth stage of product design is design engineers take general performance specification and translate or put into practical or technical specification. The process of preliminary design involves building a prototype or testing the prototype, revising the design, retesting, and so on until a viable design is determined. That means we are trial and error. Then the fifth stage, that is pilot runs and testing. Before introducing into the market, we have to test it. That is called pilot run. In the preliminary design stage, prototypes are built and tested after several iterations. The pilot run of the manufacturing process is conducted. Adjustments are made as needed before finalizing the design. Apart from continuously testing the product for a performance, market testing is also carried out to check the acceptability of the product in the defined market and customer groups. And the last stage, that is product launching. That means product or services involve ramp up production. The process has been refined and debugged. It's a final stage of product design. Okay. So by these words, let us conclude today's class. Thank you to all. The next one, that is factors influencing product design. See, there are 5 factors that we have to consider while we are designing the products. First one, customer requirements, functionality, material requirements, facility operations, and technology. First one, customer requirements. That means product should be designed in accordance with the consideration of the customer by considering the taste and needs of the customer. The next one, that is functionality. That is the performance should be functionally sound. Performance should be based on the needs and wants of the customer. The next, material requirements. Designing the product, designers should take into account the nature and quality of the materials to be used for production. Then the next one, that is facility operation. that should see that an operator is provided with all possible comforts and facilities in handling the operation. And the last factor to be considered, that is technology. Technology should be what we say that adequate, innovative, and improvable. That means newly introduced technologies have a greater impact on the development of the product. The authorities should concentrate on technical aspects, work method, equipment, etc., etc. Okay, thank you to all. By these words, let us conclude today's class.